If you're planning to attend the Battery Show North America 2023, be sure to add to your agenda visiting ViewTech Borescopes as they exhibit. From September 12th through the 14th, you'll be able to trial a ViewTech video borescope during the Battery Show exhibit hall hours at the Suburban Collection Showplace in Novi, Michigan. ViewTech has thousands of clients that rely on their video borescopes for maintenance, inspections, and quality control procedures. See for yourself at the Battery Show why ViewTech's affordable, high-quality video borescopes are preferred by engineers and technicians throughout the automotive manufacturing industry's remote visual inspections of machinery, equipment, and components. With ViewTech's no-cost, no-obligation demo offer, you can demo a ViewTech video borescope at your facility before your next inspection requirement. Contact the ViewTech video borescope experts at 1-231-943-1171 or visit our website, viewtech.com.